Number 2. Name viduh suragana prabhavam namaharshayah ahmadirhi devanam maharshinam cha sarvashah. Translation: neither celestial gods nor the great sages know my origin. I am the source from which the gods and seers come. Sri Krishna, as the Supreme Divine Personality, as the Supreme Brahman, is saying, Arjun, I know the origin of everything, but my origin nobody knows. In the Bhagavatam, Narad asks his father Brahma, Brahmaji, people call you the creator. Have you created this world by your own abilities? Or did somebody empower you to do this work? And if somebody did, who is that personality? Brahmaji says, Are Narad, Srijami tanni yukto ham haro harati tadvashah vishvam purusha rupena paripati trishakti dhrik. I, without on my own, have no ability to create. Tanni yuktoham. That Supreme appointed me for this task and gave me the abilities. And Haro Harati Shankarji annihilates when the time is right. He doesn't do it of his own accord, but empowered by the Supreme. And in any case, Narad, all of this creation that we see, the entire material realm, is 1/4 of the whole creation of God. And 3/4 we have absolutely no understanding about. It is the divine realm. Golok, Saket Lok, Vaikuntha Lok, Akshar Lok, whatever you may call it. Na tadbhasayate suryo na shashanko na pavakah yadgatva na nivartante tadhama paramam mama. So Brahmaji says, Narad, I do not know that Supreme. Naham na yuyam yadritangatim vidur na vamadeva kimuta paresura. Naradji, no devata has the ability to know God. Like, for example, your father knows you. But do you know about the birth of your father? Only what he told you. How could you know? He came first, you came afterwards. So he knows you, but you don't know him fully. So that is the logic Sri Krishna says out here. And that is the logic in the Ishopanishad also, where he says in the 4th mantra, the Ishopanishad says, Naina Deva Apnavan Purvamarshat. Look, all the devatas came afterwards. First was the Supreme Brahman. Ekoyam bahusyam prajayeti. How can any devata challenge I will know God? Kaihanu vedavatavar janmalayo grasaram yat udgadrishirya manu devagana ubhaye tarhin sannacha sudubhayam nachakala javah tatran kimapi shastra mavakrishya shaitayada. Shri Krishna is saying in the Bhagavad, O simple people, since all the Dev, Danav, Manav have come from me, they don't have the ability to know me. But I am now, Arjun, going to start revealing my confidential knowledge to you. And why? Because you are my devotee. You will not envy me. If I tell you the truth, you will not say that this Sri Krishna has got such a big ego, etc., etc. That is why he says in the end, Idante na tapaskaya na bhaktaya kadachana na cha shushrusha vacham na cha mamyobhyasuyati. Arjun, don't share this knowledge with people who have envy for God, because it will only increase their envy. They will listen to the whole Gita and then they'll say, how much time does it take to chant the Gita? 4 hours? Then how come Sri Krishna and Arjun sat there in the battleground? Was everybody else giving them permission to speak for 4 hours? These kind of questions they will start asking. Once a Guruji, he gave a lecture to his disciple. And he also talked about the Gita Mahatmya Sarva Upanishado Gavo Dogdha Gopalanandana. You know, it says that the Upanishads are like the cow, Sarva Upanishado Gavo and Dogdha. The Gopal who is milking the Upanishads is Sri Krishna, who is giving the Gita Gyan. So, at the end of the lecture, Guruji said to the disciple, any questions? The disciple said, Guruji, everything else I understood, but I have one question. You said do gadha. So who were these 2 gadhas? Guruji said, Beta, one gadha is you. And one gadha is me who's trying to explain to you. Now he has set the qualification and he says, I'm going to give you esoteric knowledge. Let us see what he goes on to say.